All right, so I was scrolling on the internet and I came across this viral video where this guy took a branch and made a large, beautiful piece of artwork out of it. You know what? Let me show you. So y'all already know we gotta try it. We already know how much artwork can be, especially on a larger scale. And y'all know your girl is always up for a quick, fun little DIY. So let's do it. So first things first, I had to find a branch. So I just went over to the little park area, the wooded area that we have in our neighborhood. And then I just cut me off a good branch off of this tree. And then I wanted to get dressed for the job. I had a feeling that this was going to be messy with paint going everywhere. So I definitely threw on my overalls. I want to show y'all, I got this huge canvas right here, 36 by 48, but I did not spend a fortune on it. Go shop your local Ross, $21.99. Not bad for that size. And I knew to go to Ross because I went to Ross before when I got this one. So I have tried DIY artwork before. And y'all see, and y'all know what? I can do this on that, since it already has the texture background and everything. Should we do both? Okay, anyway, sorry. But yeah, try Ross or Amazon. You do not have to go to like Michael's and Hobby Lobby because their canvases are very expensive. All right, so before I do anything, I want to practice. First of all, I want to kind of like gauge and measure. So this is way too big. So we're gonna break some of these off. And then I saw that a lot of them did not have leaves. I saw one person do it with leaves, and the leaves just kind of left a lot of big splotches of paint. So I might leave just a couple of leaves for texture, but mainly I'm gonna try to pull all these off. And so I don't think I need this bottom one either. Now he just whacked it. So we're gonna try to whack it. But before we mess up our canvas, I got a practice board. And it's not as big, but let's just see what we can get. All right, first try. I already think I'm gonna just smack it, hold it still, and then get the print that I want. What? Nothing. Wow. That looks a hot mess. Maybe I need more paint. Y'all, it's not working. It's really not giving anything. This isn't looking good. All right, y'all. So unfortunately, my mic went out on this part, but I just decided to go for it. So I started with the smaller branch because I had broken the branch into two. And then I just went in and just slathered paint all over it again. Now, one thing I was saying on this part was that it was so hot outside, so the paint was drying fast. So I had to keep going back in to reapply to make sure that it was covered enough. All right, y'all, here we go. Lordy. Please come out nice. Please, please, please. Okay. It's not terrible. It's not terrible. Should we whack it one more time? So then I just decided to whack it one more time with the larger branch. So I just reapplied more paint and went in for the kill. Huh. We might got something. We might got something. All right, y'all, I'm feeling a little confident. So I went in and got my other one. So we'll just have like matching pictures inside the house. Less is more. Less is more. So my next task was just to make a frame for my canvas, and I just did this by picking up some very inexpensive trim from my local Home Depot, and then I just cut 45s on each end and nailed it together. If this is something that you want more information or a tutorial on how to do, then let me know, and then I will consider doing a video for that. But that is about it. And then I did let it dry the next day, because in the corners I did put some wood filler, so I let that sit into the next day, and then I just went ahead and painted it black, and then I hung up my pictures and styled them up and enjoyed. All right, everybody, I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, go ahead and subscribe to the channel for more videos like this. And just one key tip I would take away from this DIY is that to make sure that you use a live branch. Don't use an old branch, because once you hit it, it's going to break apart. Go cut you something live from a tree near you. All right, so I will see you guys on the next one.